In this special Law of Attraction video, we're going to share with you 7 ways to attract some real special friends into your life. You know, with this COVID thing going on and everybody kind of isolated, well, it's brought about a lot of loneliness. But there are some very easy ways that you can start attracting new, successful, happy friends in your life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. And I get so many letters all the time from people saying, Robert, I have a great relationship. Robert, I have a lot of money, but I'd like to have more really good quality friends in my life. All of us have had friends who at one time or another let us down, didn't really show that they were invested in us, didn't really care about the relationship, maybe even started ghosting us after a while. It's kind of painful. But when you have real good friends, quality friends, it just makes your life so much more enjoyable because you have other people that you can bounce ideas off of, spend time with, and all these other wonderful things that you do with friends, right? Okay, so number 1 is to visualize drawing successful, optimistic friends into your life. It's one of the things I did when I was at my loneliest point, when I was living in that hotel room and there wasn't a soul alive who cared about me. I would spend just 5 minutes, visualizing optimistic, loving, resourceful friends coming into my life. And guess what? The first one was Rachel. Rachel is my best friend, along with many other things. But, you know, when you do this, all of a sudden you realize that it isn't a numbers game. It isn't like, how many friends can I get? It's quality friendship. People that care about you. People that you care about. People that you want to see more successful. And they want to see you more successful. And everybody works together. And so over the years, we've managed to attract some very good quality friends. And we have a couple of them that we consider part of our soul family. So I think it's amazing what you can do with just 5 minutes of visualization each and every day. Well, high flyers, have you noticed that ever since COVID, ever since people have been wearing masks on their mouth, people kind of, they kind of walk by and they really don't communicate and talk with each other anymore. We've lost that feel. We don't shake hands. Oh, I'm going to shake. Oh, no, I can't shake your hand. It may have leprosy. We've become paranoid of being close to other people. But go out of your way to meet people. Don't let this virus stand in your way. Introduce yourself to new people on a regular basis, whether it be over Facebook or Instagram or in person. Maybe you're standing in line with someone. I know there's social distancing. You've got your mask on, but maybe they're in line and they're buying the same thing you are, and you introduce yourself. You are unique. You are special, and you're worth getting to know. You're worth being a good friend with someone, with several people. But you can't just hold yourself back. What I've done is when I start interacting with people on Facebook, I determine how close they want to be. What kind of a relationship do they want? And if they show me a lot of interaction and they interact back, I interact with them and hopefully we build a friendship. And this virus, it's not going to last forever. And you're going to have some really great friends to get together with and spend time with. It's amazing. It's going to happen. Trust me. Well, high flyers, I believe number 3 is critical. You need to know the qualities of the people that you wish to attract into your circle. See, you have a circle, you have an energy field. You have your own, in the ancient times, they called it a circle. You have your own circle, your own energy field. What kind of people do you want in that circle? Do you want people that push you up? Do you want people that expand you and make you feel great? Or do you want people that push you down? Do you want people that complain? Do you want people that are not trustworthy? I think it's important to have clear goals as to the kind of people. Look at, you are worthy. You don't have to let anyone into your circle. Just because somebody wants to be your friend doesn't mean they get to come inside your home or your circle. They have to prove that they are worthy. And you build a relationship over a period of time. And if they have qualities that you find unappealing, just let them go. Move on. Wish them well. Well, high flyers, this may sound like an insignificant one, number 4 on the list. It may sound insignificant, but it really is not. And it really ties in with the law of attraction of what you put out, you get back. Be sure you can remember the person's name and how they want their name pronounced. It is absolutely critical. There is nothing more important to an individual, trust me, than their name. And when you can use their name and pronounce it correctly, you've already established rapport. And rapport is the first bridge. It's the first plank in the bridge to building a real, lasting friendship. Just because we have all this technology doesn't mean we need to give up analog communication. Analog communication is where I pick up the phone and I call you and I say, "Hey, how you doing? I just wanted to see if you were okay. Everything going good with you?" That's analog. Okay, even though our phones are digital nowadays. But sending a card. I absolutely love Christmas cards. I love birthday cards. But I have a friend, and she's a remarkable friend, and she sends Rachel and I a Halloween card every year. Go figure. But you know how special it is to get a Halloween card? I just think it's nice. Send cards. Make phone calls. Send little text messages throughout the day saying, "Hey, thinking of you, hope all is well." That's all you got to do. Keep that juice flowing between the two of you. It's absolutely essential. Well, high flyers, number 6 is say positive, optimistic things about the people you meet, the people in your life. Like I was just telling you, I'll give you her first name. Her name is Geraldine. She's on some of my videos. She sends me a Halloween card. I think that's remarkable. Sometimes she just calls me, usually on a weekend, and says, "Hey, how are you and Rachel doing?" That's what I'm talking about. Focus on the positive things, the positive qualities that your new friends have, and talk about them. Let them know that you really appreciate them. We have a lady, her name is Joanne, and I have people in my own family, high flyers, that didn't send a card when Julian was born. In my own family, spoiled, self-centered perhaps, or maybe just too busy. Who knows? But this lady, who came to one of my workshops, she sent a card with a $25 check to start his college account. And you would have thought that that would have been all there would have been to it. I mean, that one time. But she never forgets him for Christmas. She never forgets him for his birthday. And when she sees something special, like an educational toy, she picks it up and sends it to him. There's not much Rachel and I wouldn't do for this special person. So you be one of those special people. You be one of those people that everybody talks about. And number 7, be open to other people's beliefs. You know, I don't have to agree with your beliefs. I have some strong beliefs. But I can accept them, and I can listen to them, and I can understand them in the context of you. I have friends all over the world. They all have different beliefs. They all celebrate different customs. They all live a different paradigm, lifestyle than I do. That's okay. We're here together. This is our time. We occupy this space as one. Be a good friend. Attract good friends into your life. Your life will be so much more enriched. You have a great day because you deserve it. And don't forget, we've got some more videos for you.